Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to disable Cortana in Windows 10. Go to the search box and type regedit. Click on it to open. Select HKey_local_machine from the left side menu. Click on Software and look for Policies. Select Microsoft. Select Windows. Right-click on, select New from a list and click on Key. Name it Windows Search. Select the new folder. Right-click somewhere in the white space and click on New. Select DWORD 32-bit value. Name the file Allow Cortana. Close the window. Go to the Windows icon at your taskbar. Click on the account icon and select Sign Out. Sign in again. Open the search box. It does not have Cortana anymore. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.